In the letter of Paul to the Philippians, we find a verse that offers valuable insight into the importance of unity and strong faith. Philippians 1 verse 27 states, "Whatever happens, conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ. Then, whether I come and see you or only hear about you in my absence, I will know that you stand firm in the one Spirit, striving together as one for the faith of the gospel." This verse serves as a call to the believers in Philippi to embrace unity and unwavering faith, highlighting the power that lies within these virtues. Let us delve deeper into this insightful analysis of Philippians 1 verse 27. A deeper look into Philippians 1 verse 27, embracing unity and unwavering faith. In this verse, Paul urges the believers in Philippi to conduct themselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ. This implies that their actions and behavior should reflect the teachings of Jesus. By doing so, they not only honor their faith, but also present a unified front to the world. Unity plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of spreading the gospel, as it showcases a collective strength and a common purpose. When believers stand together, unwavering in their faith, they become a formidable force that can overcome any obstacles or challenges that come their way. Furthermore, Paul emphasizes the importance of standing firm in the one Spirit and striving together as one for the faith of the gospel. This unity in the Spirit refers to the indwelling presence of the Holy Spirit within each believer. It is through this unity with the Spirit that believers can find strength and guidance, enabling them to live out their faith boldly. Additionally, striving together for the faith of the gospel highlights the need for collective effort and cooperation. It is crucial for believers to support and encourage one another in their faith journey, as this fosters a sense of unity and builds a strong foundation for the spreading of the gospel. Understanding the power of unity and strong faith in Philippians 1 verse 27. The call to unity and strong faith in Philippians 1 verse 27 is not a mere suggestion but a recognition of their power and significance. Unity has the ability to create a sense of community and belonging among believers, fostering an environment where love, support, and cooperation thrive. When believers stand together, united in their faith, they become a living testament to the transformative power of the gospel. This unity not only strengthens the bond between believers, but also draws others to Christ, as they witness the love and harmony displayed among believers. Strong faith, on the other hand, is an essential component in the life of a believer. It provides a solid foundation and unwavering trust in God's promises and guidance. In times of adversity, a strong faith offers hope and resilience, enabling believers to navigate through challenges with courage and perseverance. It is through this strong faith that believers can face any circumstance with confidence, knowing that they are not alone but are supported by a faithful and loving God. This steadfast faith also serves as a source of inspiration and encouragement for others, as they witness the unwavering trust of believers in the face of trials. In conclusion, Philippians 1 verse 27 calls believers to embrace unity and unwavering faith. It highlights the power and significance of these virtues in the life of a believer and in the spreading of the gospel. Unity creates a sense of community and cooperation among believers, while strong faith provides a firm foundation and hope in times of adversity. By living in a manner worthy of the gospel and striving together as one, believers not only honor their faith but also become a living testament to the transformative power of Christ. Let us heed the call of Philippians 1 verse 27 and strive for unity and strong faith in our own lives.